I'm currently in the contact center of General Air Conditioning and Plumbing, joined with Miss Tanya Priest. She's going to give us all the details about what happens in this room / call center, right? How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm well.
Thanks
nice
for being
to see
here.
You know, I love coming here. You guys are so friendly. It's such a huge facility. So what is the contact center?
The contact center is one location for our clients to call into, so we're able to answer phones. We actually dispatch our technicians through the contact center. So it's basically like mission control of the company. So every call that comes in or being scheduled is done through the contact center.
So when I call, which I have in the past, I'm talking to somebody behind me.
Correct.
Okay,
Yes.
very cool. So let's talk about hours of operation. Are we here, like, when are people here answering calls?
We have our CCRs here from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. So we're here, we actually have everyone shifted so that we have people that are here later. So we're here till 11 p.m. to answer phone calls for our clients.
Monday through Friday?
That's every day.
Oh, that's 7 days a week.
Wow. So 7 days a week. And
Another
that's our
reason.
regular hours is the 7 a.m. to 11 p.m.
Yeah.
So we don't consider that, after hours or, you can call it 10 o'clock at night. It's the same as calling it like 9 o'clock in the morning.
So what are you doing here to better serve your clients? Give me some examples.
So some examples, like as you can see behind me, we have something to GPS our technicians. So it actually gives us the idea of where our technicians are. So we can schedule someone out to a client that's having, let's just say, repair issues or doesn't have any air conditioning or their house is flooding. We can get out to them as soon as possible because we have a technician that we know is in that area. So those are the things that we can help to get someone out to our clients quicker. Not to mention that all the customer care representatives that they speak to are knowledgeable, so they can answer questions. Our whole goal is to be one place for them to call into and get every question answered.
So just more efficient.
Correct.
Yeah.
Way more efficient.
Thanks to technology. Okay.
Yeah.
So what is your advantage to better serve the Valley? Everybody has one. What is your advantage?
Well, our advantage is that we are here 7 days a week. So when there's some of those other companies that may be going home, we're still here. So because we have technicians coming in later, we have CCRs coming in later, I think that gives us an advantage because we're here later in the evening when some other companies are already home. I mean, we are still 24 hours, so we do have a service that, the clients do speak with. If it's 2 o'clock in the morning, we do have technicians to run those calls. But that's the advantage, is that we are here 7 days a week until 11 p.m. here in the contact center.
Okay. And so some of what we're seeing here, this is all the technology.
Correct. So we have, this is actually letting us know the calls that are coming in, and then we have the GPS, which we just talked about. So we can actually see where the technicians are, which one's closest to our clients.
And for those of us who don't know, what does CCR stand for?
Customer care representative.
I guess I could have figured that one out.
So.
All right. Well, I appreciate your time as always.
Thank you, Brian, for being here.
Yeah,
We appreciate it.
Coming into your territory for once. Callthegeneral.com. It's that easy.